Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Apple Music automatic downloads on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Music. Next, we go down. And then in the downloads section, tap on automatic downloads. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off automatic downloads of music. Now set that music automatically downloads for offline listening when added to your library or purchased in the iTunes store. Now so here this device is already associated with an Apple ID. If you turn on automatic downloads with your Apple ID, you cannot auto download or download past purchases. So you can choose transfer or cancel when you see that pop-up message. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.